We need the rain, but we do not need the hail and tornadoes. Looks like the tornado threat's gone where we're at, but not the hail and wind threat. So hopefully we won't get any severe weather. That is a pretty dark, ominous cloud moving around. Springtime in Oklahoma, never a dull moment. You can hear that thunder rumbling in the background too. Oh yeah, here it comes. I'm looking to the west, and then that's back to the northwest, and yeah, it's about to get exciting. Here comes the wind. Uh-oh. Yeah, I better go back inside. And there is the heavy rain and thunder and lightning. I had to come out the back because the front was just too heavy. It was going right at the front door. But yeah, here it is. And there's the hail.
Right, we are getting hail.
And here comes the hail. I could not take a video outside our front door because it was coming right in at us, but it's super heavy rain. You can hear the thunder, I'm sure. You can hear the hail hitting the house and the gutter and the floor and the ground and the sidewalk. Let's maybe zoom in a little here and see some of that. That's pea-sized hail. Nothing too bad. Hopefully it'll stay at that. Anyway, springtime in Oklahoma, never a dull moment. There, I made it up front. Slow down just enough so we can step outside and not blow in the house. Yeah, nice heavy rain is coming down at about 3/4 of an inch an hour. I checked on my weather station that I got from Bass Pro Shops, which is amazing. Yeah, you can hear that thunder. The wind has finally laid down, so we're good there. Anyway, just thought I would share our evening storm excitement.